This is e-content for the program Bachelor of Social Work. The subject is Sociology for Social Practice of first semester of Coimbatore University, and the session number is 16. The topic for this session is social causation and consequences of deviance, and part 1 of this topic is dealt in this session, that is the social causation of deviance. Let us begin with a recap of the previous class. In the previous class, students studied about the process and mechanism of social control. The learning objectives for this session are to understand the social causation of deviance. The expected session outcomes are that students understand the social causation of deviance. The social causes of deviance include the following. The first one is faulty socialization. So sometimes socializing agents fail to inculcate the right morals in individuals, or the socializing agents may directly or indirectly, overtly or covertly, consciously or semi-consciously encourage deviant behavior in the new members. So this is faulty socialization. The second is weak sanctions. Sanctions means the rewards or punishments which are used for the enforcement of norms in a society. Sometimes the positive sanctions or the rewards to ensure conformity, and the negative sanctions or the punishments for deviant behavior are weak. They may be neglected by the individuals. So that is weak sanctions. Then third is poor enforcement. If the enforcement of the sanctions is weak owing to different reasons such as less number of staff, it may lead to violation of the sanctions. The fourth is ease of rationalization. The individuals who violate norms try to justify their actions or satisfy their conscience with some rationalization. Fifth is unjust or corrupt enforcement. Unjust or corrupt law enforcement agencies result in the loss of faith in these agencies by the people. Sixth is ambivalence of the agents of social control. Ambivalence is the coexistence of opposing or different emotional attitudes in a person about another individual or group. If such ambivalence is found in agents of social control, it may lead to deviant behavior. The seventh is subcultural support of deviance. Small groups within the larger society may have differing views about deviant behavior and, in fact, may even support it. The eighth is sentiments of loyalty to deviant groups. A person involved with a deviant group may be forced to cooperate with the members and continue with the activities of the group even if his attitude changes. The ninth is indefinite range of norms. Sometimes few norms may not be specified clearly, and this leads to deviant behavior. Tenth is cultural conflicts. The society is extremely heterogeneous with various groups which may have conflicting values and norms. For example, the values of a family group may conflict with the values of the peer group. This may lead to deviant behavior. The 11th is social location. The position occupied by an individual in the social stratification is referred to as the social location of the individual. It is possible that people belonging to certain social locations are more prone to deviant behavior than people in other social locations. Let us have a look at the session summary. The social causation of deviance include factors such as faulty socialization, weak sanctions, poor enforcement, ease of rationalization, etc. Let us have a look at some of the multiple choice questions. The social causes of deviance include A. Faulty socialization, B. Weak sanctions, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And the right answer is C. Both A and B. The second question says the social causes of deviance include A. Poor enforcement, B. Ease of socialization, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. And the right answer is C. Both A and B. The third one says the social causes of deviance include unjust or corrupt enforcement, ambivalence of the agents of social control, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. The right answer is C. Both A and B. The fourth MCQ says the social causes of deviance include A. Unjust or corrupt enforcement, B. Ambivalence of the agents of such control, C. Subcultural support of deviance, D. All of the above. And the right answer is D. All of the above. The social causes of deviance include A. Sentiments of loyalty to deviant groups, B. Indefinite range of norms, C. Secrecy of violations, D. All of the above. And the right answer is D. All of the above. These are the references for the preparation of this e-content. Thank you.